In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted files on Google Drive using a computer. If you've ever removed something from your drive and realized you still need it, don't worry. Google Drive keeps those items in a special area so you can review them. All you need is a computer with an internet connection and access to the Google account where the file originally lived. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser will work. In the address bar at the top, type drive.google.com and press Enter. This takes you to the Google Drive homepage. If you're already signed in, you'll see your files and folders right away. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and sign into your Google account. Be sure you're using the same account that had the deleted file. Many people have more than one Google account for work, school, or personal use, so take a second to confirm you're in the right place. After signing in, you'll land in your drive where your current files are visible. On the left-hand side, look for the sidebar menu. Find the option labeled Trash. Depending on your region, it might be called Bin, but it has a trash can icon and sits alongside items like My Drive and Shared with Me. Click Trash to open it. This area is where Drive stores files and folders you've deleted, typically for a limited time. For most personal accounts, items stay here for about 30 days before they're permanently removed. If you don't see what you're expecting, it may have been deleted earlier or removed by an account admin. Once you're in Trash, browse the list of deleted files and folders. You'll see file names, types, and helpful details like when they were moved to Trash. Use those dates and names to zero in on the item you're after. If the list is long, take your time and scan carefully. The Trash view is designed to make it clear what's been recently deleted. When you think you've found the right file, click it to preview. The preview is a safe way to confirm you've identified the correct document, image, or video without opening it fully. For Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, the preview shows the content right away. For other file types, you'll usually see a quick viewer that lets you check key details. If a preview isn't available, you'll still see basic information like file name and date, which can help you be sure you've got the right one. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.